In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote your clothing business on Instagram using a digital catalog. First, you have to create a digital product catalog. You can create one at WHINST.com. In the description, I've attached a link to WHINST.com and to a detailed video on how to create a digital product catalog. Once your catalog with all your products is created, you have to download your catalog QR code and copy the catalog link. Next, we'll head over to Instagram. Open your Instagram app and go to the profile section. Click Edit Profile, select Add Link, and add the catalog URL you copied. Your link will now appear on your page bio, and your customers can click onto it to view what products you've got on your catalog. Next, we'll create a post using the downloaded QR code image. Next, I'll pin the post so that it stays on the top of my image list. Lastly, I'm going to create a story using the downloaded QR code image. I'm also going to add my copied catalog link onto the story. I'll now add the story to my highlights so that it's always visible to my customers. Now everyone that accesses your page can easily view all the products your business offers. Thanks for watching.